like, you already know how she like to get into like stuff. So she went over
Just
there and
need
got
to just be quiet so she'll get in trouble.
Okay. So we're going to start in on page 33. And mostly because, like, so the wording on page 33 is exactly like Mr. McBride said, right? We're going to see a lot of questions on the MSA that are worded like this. So, which one of you wants to read the question for us, the part A? Okay, so Tina, go ahead and read part A for us.
Tasha is baking brownies for the class at lunch. It takes 25 minutes for the brownies to cook. Lunch is at 11:15 a.m. What time should she begin cooking the brownies so that they will be done at exact 1:15 a.m.?
Okay, so it sounds like there were a lot of things going on,
11:15.
right? Yeah, at 11:15. So if we're reading a question like this, right, what information do you think we should pull out if we're reading for a purpose? So what in part A
The
is
time
good to pull out?
the time it takes the brownies to cook, and what time they need to be done.
Okay, so the time it takes the brownies to cook, and then what time it needs to be done. So what time, or how long does it take for the brownies to cook, Imani?
25 minutes.
Okay, so it takes 25 minutes, right? And I'm going to go ahead and call that our elapsed time. We talked about that in class, remember, or the duration. And then what time do we want them to be done by?
11:15.
Got to be done by 11:15.
So at 11:15, this is what I did. I started from 11, the time I needed to be done, and I just, it takes 25 minutes.
Okay.
And I know at 11:15, I have to go back one hour because 25 minutes is, 15 is less than 25.
Mm-hmm.
So I went back. So I just knew it was going to be at 10 something, but I didn't know what time.
Now, how did you know that it was going to be 10 something?
Because from 1:15, I went back 25 minutes.
Oh, okay. So did you do the same thing, Imani? Did you take 11:15 and basically subtract 25 minutes and go back in time, and you knew 15 is less than 25, so that's 11 o'clock, and then you still have extra minutes left, right?
Yep. So, and a 1 became a 0, so I already knew it was going to be 10, but when I subtracted, I automatically knew it was going to be 10 something.
So, like, if you subtract time then, and you had, so you took your 25 minutes then, and you're telling me that you subtracted 15, and you got 10, right?
Yep.
That's what I did. And then
I did.
minus 11 o'clock minus 10 minutes, and I got 10. And then
So you took this 15 minutes that you took away from 25 minutes. You also took that same 15 minutes away from 11 o'clock, right?
I put the 60 on top of the 2 zeros, and then I got 10 for right there, and then I got 50.
Oh, okay, yeah, because you can convert 11 o'clock to 1060, can't you?
Another easy way to do it when you're doing it was 11:15, so you just do 15, 14, 13, until you went back at least 25 spaces back or 25 minutes back.
Exactly. I really like the way, because Imani said that 11 o'clock, remember on that time test that we took, 11 o'clock is also really 1060. Like, nobody says 1060 in the morning, but it really is 11 o'clock, right? Because we have 60 minutes in an hour.
And
that's a really good method that Imani did.
It's 10, 15, so there's, in 15 minutes is 10 minutes and plus 5 minutes.
Exactly.
So that's already 15 minutes, so I knew I had to do 10 more minutes back because 10 plus 10 is 2, plus the extra 5 minutes is 25 minutes.
Yep, and that's a really good way to check your work is if you have 1060 like Imani did and you subtract the leftover 10 minutes, you get 1050. But if we do what you said, okay, we'll take 1050 in the morning plus 10 minutes gets us back to 11 o'clock. And then you said, well, we still have this. Well, we know that we can go another group of 10 and another group of 5, 1, 11 o'clock, and you get 11:15. And that's what the passage said, 11:15.
This is what I did.
Maybe, I don't know if that way. Try this green one. I get more ink in it.
I did 11 o'clock.
Perfect.
Then I put the 10 right here. And I did like this, and then I subtracted. And then I put, I cross out that 11. And I put 60 on top of here.
Now, tell us why you put 60 up there.
Because it'll
I
be
would-
11:60.
It used to